Many time it happens with us that we can't see from the side of our laptop in HP EliteBook, and then we thought that there is a problem with our screen or it's not working properly. Then how we can solve this problem? I'm Gogi from how to do it. Like my video and subscribe this channel for get more videos like this. We're gonna solve your problem because this is not the problem with your screen. When you try to see from the front side, visibility is low, but you can check it your screen very properly. So this is the screen, and when we press this button, your problem is solved. It has a button is over here, and accidentally when we press this button anytime, it go to the privacy mode. That is for saving your content from the sidewise people so that they can't gaze into your laptop. But you can press this button for switching it off and on, but when it accidentally pressed, it can make your life very problematic. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, your family, for subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. इंग्लिश कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो गया भैया. कमेंट में बताना कैसी लगी जानकारी.